Alright, la que me escuchile pa. Easy B.
Yes, sí, pagka escucha y Caiso, ganador. Paz di Mike. Ito ko no, so sing Bisita Royal. We have royalties in the house and all. Canción kinakiremi. It's a very, 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 very fun song. Kiremi, tremenda. Bradley, kitikiko naman.
Kitikiko, Brian, Bontari.
How you doing, man? How you doing?
Oyente na di cool. 98.9.
Ah, que ahí. Me tuve que coger como un tagline.
Yeah,
completo, no mames. Bradley, contame, man. Como te senti Caiso King, man?
Para mí, me quero agradecer a Deus, me quero agradecer a todos os que poner effort around de canção aqui. A todos os participantes, me quero música em geral. Me quero, nós temos que dar thumbs up.
Yes.
Yes. Cambio, para Kiko. É difícil para sacar Caiso para a temporada de carnaval. A mim mesmo só tem somente que tudo dentro. Pero é genre de música just like any other type of music, like soca. You should be able to play at any given time. You know, we're in a Caribbean island. I mean, we have different cultures, and it resulta para mim hopi bom. And to noche para mim by nice. Hope you create mess. It was a fun. That was important of it. It was fun because 10 participants na hope a lot of work. They put in a lot of work. You know what I mean? It's not easy to make a song, especially a Caiso, and you know, in the space of, let me say, 2 weeks.
Wow.
With training maybe like twice per week.
Okay.
It's not like a soca. You know, a soca is just, you know, make up anything and let it flow. But with the
this one is more lyrical, correct?
Of course, it's lyrical.
Yeah. And before the event, I spoke to Edwina as well, and I told her, hey, you know what? The people that you're gonna get to this event are those lyrical lovers.
Yeah.
They're gonna love the lyrics. Gonna just and this song you can easily dance. I mean,
Yeah. It's a different song. No, it's the idea. At first, I wasn't participating, and I was coming from work one day, and the idea just went in my head, and I called Rainbird. I said, hey, Lily, me put. Escrevi ainda, ele, hey, but tenho que checar com Inky. Just for the fun of it. Então, me chama Inky, me mandei message. Ele disse, sim, nós estamos de 5 participantes e falta I said, well,
man.
She said, okay, she sent the link, write me in. Abay si Rocky, me tem ideia aqui. Let me work on it. You know, let's do something about it, because normally I don't get vibe like that. When I get a vibe like that, it's because I have to put it on one time. Otherwise, I gonna forget it.
Yeah. Got it. When the resultado ito ganador também. It was a very difficult competition. Ito tong competência hopi difícil.
Okay.
In terms of bosa tati hopi ending ko também, hey, wala tabay pesa aqui. Ando style man save the best for last.
Yeah. You know that's a good thing about it, because a mí mesmo não escucha nenhum de outro participante.
Gotcha. Okay.
You know, Saki con Lanta canta.
Yeah.
Is when I reached here the night, then I heard what Commissioner was singing, what Soca Mafia was singing, what Gallo was singing. So it was like, hey, that made it fun.
Man.
You know, that means it can go anywhere.
Yeah. Amazing, man. Amazing. Hindi ko format ka na tabay kira sina.
Okay.
Personal, that's the way to go.
It's not about
su value basta apart nice.
Yeah.
So tremendo. Nos basta considerado como like modern time soca Caiso King and todo.
Yeah, no. Soca the first Calypso Showdown winner.
First Calypso Showdown winner. Tremendo.
Monarch, right? Monarch? King?
Yeah, it's a king.
Monarch? King?
Put yung crown down the book, so it must be a monarch. But by release a song like studio version and stuff.
Nós vai dentro do estúdio gravação, garagem, nós vai gravar estúdio. Assim nós podemos sacar clip, só tem uma entrada também. But you see the entrance with Reckless. When he was looking for that mic, he had timbal, he got drums, he got congas, but a mic stand, but no mic.
Chimbo, hey, that was awesome, guys. That was awesome. But como prome Caiso King tem new format aqui não. Me te quiere, me se tem alguma palavra para voral up and coming artists também para não por hacer grande. So now it's our turn.
Yeah. I'm here. Deseo para the youths, start going into calypso as well. Try to encourage youth because we as the elder we have to encourage them too. That they wouldn't do it on their own. So we have to find that pocket, that way of getting them involved, interested in calypso. That's the only way we can get it.
Of course,
we can develop and make it bigger, no? Because but calypso, Soca Monarch, you're gonna get like. How many singers? 50?
Exactly.
30, 60?
Yeah.
But for Calypso, you might get 15.
Yeah.
Yeah,
exactly.
Yeah, and Calypso is like, you have to be like a poet. No?
Mm-hmm.
You have to write a story. You write a story and you sing
your
storytelling. Storytelling.
Yeah.
You see something going wrong, hey, this car passing up, the wheel spinning, but what makes the wheel spin?
Well, no, you're right about that, man. That's it. It's pure storytelling, and it's a form of art that's so beautiful, no? Tingo ta usele pa protest, tingo ta usele pa different forma. So it's amazing arte aqui na local ko ta calypso.
And it's not boring. You don't have to be boring. You can sing. It's wide. You want to sing political, you want to sing social, you want to bring a commentary, you want to bring a protest, you want to sing a love soca, you can. You want to sing a fun soca,
Yeah.
You can also.
Of course.
So there are different ways, of bringing your idea in the soca, in the calypso world.
Exactly. Papiando di soca, Bradley, falta quanto luna pa pone 4-5 luna mas. Quanto ba yendo ku soca outro aimes?
No, I'm no stay. Porque ben tsunami tem sempre, mas sempre no stay.
Você bem parimop, porque ben você tem soca mora aqui.
Monarch, Freddy Rasta, sim, a outra nós tem Caiso King, que man nós the king of the road, nós the king to commander, nós the king. Essa que corona uma bem ave mostrava que nós the king.
Jimbo, hey, palavra de royalty, man. No, tremendo, Bradley, tremendo. After bien, segundo por prome Caiso Crown, right?
Sim, prome Caiso. Você tem 3 viagens para participar em Caiso. Prome viagem, toda na 2 anos, 6 anos segundo.
Okay.
Sei, aí de como cai.
Sim.
Anto, de 3 viagens, anto yes.
Third time's a charm. Yeah.
Third time's a charm.
Yeah.
10 years after I got my second crown, man.
Pero merecidamente, guys. Merecidamente. Tremendo mesmo. Nós em espera, mas nego grava em estúdio, mande para nós também.
No problem.
Para nós por sowieso support as always. Bradley, danke para Johnny Surato. Não sei se você tem pessoas que você agradecer também.
Seguro. Me que agradecer full team e All-Star Band, Rocky Everon, Sticking Música, família completa, todos os fãs, todos os sonos que bem, já sabra, sinta, gosta full, a noite doce de Caiso local, because man, it was great. I mean, it made me smile to see so many people was there, knowing that it also had an event in town, and to see it was great, man. It was great, trust me, and it can grow. I see it growing, and I want it to grow, and of course, like I said before, we want to see more participants, no? Come join the fun.
Of course.
Yes, come join the fun. Let's have a good time and, hey, make everybody put a smile on their face.
Yeah.
And we go home happy.
Yeah. You got that one right.
Yes, sir.
The king has spoken. As participantes shonan, Geremi in 5 years of time, Calypso, the Baila, so value. I just see it coming. Me the just walk at the being guys. Right. Bradley, thank you for joining us. Si nos queda pending pa cualquier cosa, tiene
No
pa comida,
problem.
right?
No
Eso,
problem.
eso.
I'll let you know, I'll
Yes.
send it to you.
Of course. Yes. Itanos, Caiso Monarch 2025. Hindi, canción que you can easily dance to it. O quis me escuchar lyrics.